Hi, my friends. So we just read the book, The Dot, and we discussed growth mindset and how we can use that in the art room and in life in general. Today, you're going to be making your very own dot to go in a school-wide mural. The materials you're going to have are 2 pieces of white paper, a circle stencil, some watercolor paints, some water and a brush, some paper towels, and a pencil for tracing. So one of these papers is for your final dot project. One is for you to experiment with watercolor and just figure it out. You're going to notice that having a lot of water mixed in with your watercolor makes it very transparent or see-through. Now, having less water makes it more opaque or solid. So I really want you to experiment with the watercolor. I want you to try blends. I want you to make sure that you're cleaning off your brush in between every color. So let's try and do a blend of green to blue. Now, am I gonna stick this dirty brush into the blue? No, we're gonna wash it. I'm gonna take some water, swirl it around in there, activate the paint, and I'm gonna try and do a blend this way. So it's getting a little bit too solid. I'm gonna rinse that brush, rinse. Wipe the excess on the edge of the cup. Can even use my paper towel, and I'm gonna add just water here and just let those colors blend. Let the watercolor do its thing and just experiment and get a feel for it before moving on to your final dot. So this is for just experimentation, okay? When it comes down to doing your final dot, you are going to use a pencil and this stencil. You're gonna hold it steady and trace. I'm going to use a marker just for visibility reasons so you can see what I'm doing. Holding it steady, tracing it just like that. Oops. And now you get to paint this dot however you want. This is your mark in the mural. You can do washes and blends. You can do very intricate lines, swirls. You can do anything you want. All I can say is just keep in mind that warm colors mix nicely together and cool colors mix nicely together. When you start mixing warm and cool or complementary colors, that's when things might start to get a little bit muddy. So I just want you to know that going into it, okay? But hopefully you will find that out while experimenting, that certain colors mix really nicely and some really don't. So this is your choice, what you want to do in this space. And I absolutely cannot wait to see your dots.